What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the PGP.
What? Grumpy Gamers.
Welcome back to the Grumpy Gamers. और आज हमारे साथ हैं परीक्षा के हेयर और उनके साथ हम खेल रहे हैं
University.
नहीं खत्म एंड हो गया वो GTA वाइसिटी भूल जाओ उसको हम खेल रहे हैं गार्डन ऑफ बान
Finally, a new game.
I don't know is ban और बान
Ban. This game is quite famous. बच्चों की गेम है, बड़ों की गेम है, मतलब पता नहीं क्या है. Without further ado, let's start.
Begin. Wow, what an interface.
For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Click.
Whoa.
I think we are at a kindergarten. Yeah, that's a kindergarten. Eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. उसके अलावा बता भाई. What is this middle में?
वो है ना मतलब क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
गोली मारेगा.
यूज करेंगे इससे.
ये क्यों बोल रहे भाई?
क्या मेरी टांगे नहीं है क्या?
We are supposed to find something.
Yep.
Having many arms allows me to help a lot. पढ़ने तो दो यार ये किस?
अरे क्या इतनी देर में पढ़ा नहीं आपने यार? Help a lot more people यार. उई. You have a key card.
आपको की कार्ड उस पे लगाना है ये ना.
ओह मतलब ब्लू की कार्ड है तो ब्लू इसमें एंटर होगा ये करके. ओए we have a drone here. Remote require 2 batteries.
अब कंप्यूटर देखो कौन से जमाने का रखे हुए. Look at that.
अरे हाँ ये तो मैं भूल गया था. वाह कैफेटेरिया में तो हम खाते हैं बैटरी.
Let's see.
ये देखो. So we found the batteries. Right mouse button to teleport the toy nearest the.
Oh my god, what is that? What is that? Oh, drone.
Oh, it's our drone यार.
Oh, मैं तो थोड़ा सा डर चलाने.
Oh, now I see.
क्या?
इसको यहाँ यूं करेंगे हम है ना? Yeah.
Huh? I don't understand. Pressed this happening. Now it's. Oh. Cute. Let's go inside. Let's go.
What do you
my
want?
God,
What do
that is
you
sweet.
want?
That is like a cutest creepy creature ever. The end is here.
Oh my
It
god.
is here. Okay, there's something written on the wall. Let's read that.
Why can't I
Sharing
look?
is caring. Oh, look, let me just read.
The toy cannot be directly commanded to the breakable materials such as yellow glass. वो ये वॉशरूम किसका है?
It's naughty corner है ये.
Yeah, boy.
No, not that. बच्चे वाला naughty.
अब तो बच्चे भी क्या करेंगे इधर?
अरे भाई बेसिकली जो naughty बच्चा होगा उसको आप टाइम आउट करा दोगे तब.
जैसे कि मिकाइल इज अ नॉटी बॉय. ब्रो ये तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा मुझे. आई थिंक मुझे लग रहा है इसके लिए येलो की कार्ड चाहिए होगा.
वो तो ग्लास डोर है.
यार वो
चलो
बंद
यार.
गया इधर बूबा.
ये स्कैरी उसमें नहीं आया था.
ये ऐसा क्यों हो गया? बॉल पिट क्लोज. फीड इट 6 eggs to get your pride. अब इसमें अंडे
की कार्ड तो सही है लेकिन अंडे कहाँ से मिलेंगे?
Well,
Kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Aww. उगा.
what? यार अभी की कार्ड में कहाँ से?
अच्छा की कार्ड तो आपको वो देगा ना जब आप उसको अंडे दोगे तो. आई थिंक कैफेटेरिया में होने चाहिए अंडे.
हाँ क्योंकि हर चीज यही होती है.
नहीं यार खाने की चीजें तो यही होगी ना.
पेप्सी दो मुझे.
खाली पड़ा हुआ है. Where is
Come
your
here.
phone? It's here. What's the
Go.
thing to do?
Go.
नहीं खुलेगा.
यार ये कुछ लग रहा है मुझे. See?
हाँ. I think it's a bell only.
Come here. Drone. मेरा ड्रोन है कहाँ? Bro. ये रहा यार. आया हुआ इधर.
Come. Follow me. आ रहा. Oi! What you doing, bro?
Now you can do this. Catch. Come on. No?
Okay, अच्छा, how about we explore this area?
And
Oh, my
oh,
phone!
nice.
What? We had to do this.
Yeah, we have to play this with the guy.
Oh!
We have a note here. Bring a friend day sticker.
Feel slowly. Okay, I don't know.
Can we go
Let's
inside?
find another egg.
Okay.
Oh, that's a key card.
Oh, nice. We'll have to go up.
Let's go up. Oh, this looks like so much fun. Oh!
Oh, can we go inside? No.
ओए यहाँ था ना की कार्ड. Where's the key card?
No. Okay, time up.
Come upstairs. Mama slide. अरे कुछ
ये कैसे
slide तो
slide
नहीं
है?
हो रहा है. We were literally here. Take it. हैं? That wasn't a key card. That was actually like a. ओ एक और है.
ये तो यहीं रखा हुआ था.
थोड़ी देर पहले तो नहीं था. दे दो उसको अंडे. What the hell? Okay, this is scary.
Booga 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 booga.
I don't understand what that blue button was for. Green button, actually.
Is there any? Oh, whoa! This might do something. My drone, baby, come on, hit this button.
What is the yellow thing?
Which one? Oh,
Where did the... Oh, here. I think it's the last one.
This might be the last one. Yes.
Oh my god.
इसको अंडे ही खिलाते रहे हम. अंडा खा के अंडा हो गया.
I think... Is it an egg?
Yep.
Let's see.
But we look everywhere. Where is the egg? Oh.
So I think we were left with one egg.
We found the last egg.
I think it's the last one. I hope it's the last one because I'm done. Yeah, look. There's something in...
Oh, we found a key card. Yeah. Give me. Thanks.
Let's go. It's a yellow key card, so we have to find the yellow button.
Oh, I know where the yellow gate is. I know.
But what was that blue वाली चीज यार? ये तो कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया.
One problem at a time. Yes, this is a green, and now we have to do beep beep.
I feel like this game, I think a kid made it.
Obviously. Go press this button. You drone. You drony.
Finally, let's get out of here. And this here.
Oh, we
Huh?
found the hammer, and we have the letter. Distraction at 1. What does that mean?
I thought we're getting out of here.
Oh, we have to go there. I know.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh.
Might be.
Use the hammer वहाँ पे.
Hey, Droney, come with me.
Drone? Or but how are you going to use the hammer? Oi. Yay! Let's go.
I thought, yeah.
क्या करना है?
We have the yellow key card, right?
Yeah, but some things. Oh, हैं? ये हवा में क्या कर रहा है? Press this one ना.
Emergency stop.
No, actually we have to press the yellow thingy and then sit. Yeah. Great job. Where are we going?
Why am I scared?
I have no idea. What was my color? ये किस किस्म का स्कूल है?
Oh, we haven't paid attention कि colors क्या थे इसके. Oh,
ये what is this? आपको की कार्ड उस पे लगाना है. Oh, now.
What is this place?
There's something in my eye. I don't know. जल रहा है. Should we go back? Let's go back.
Yeah, take the picture. Red.
Jump.
Oh.
Jump.
Oh! I want to read that letter.
Do you find?
I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone had party without me.
Miss Mason see me but go. I'm scared because whole is
my
not.
friends scream. It, but bird is funny.
Alrighty.
The first one.
Yeah, the first one is red.
Number
It's
one.
white.
Come on, man. Where's the white? Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
it's here. What
Green.
is this? Green. Yeah. The bird is pink. And
Blue.
ये है, I don't know. It's like a purplish blue. So, and that's orange.
Bring it.
Okay.
Oh, we found a key card. Oh my god! No!
What the heck?
Bro! No! Don't leave me! Oh shit! Oh no!
Oh my god! That is so creepy.
Oh shit!
What do we do?
No!
Go away. Shoot!
No.
How is the bird so scary? I mean,
Now you are scared. Or are we dead?
did the bird kill us?
Come on.
वो यहाँ आएगा, उस पे आपने चढ़ना है. उधर रहो, उधर. वो आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा? क्या सीन है? कैसे बचें?
Oh! You don't come here. Don't you come here.
No, it's not coming.
Oh no.
आ रहा वो उधर उस पे जंप करना है.
How can I jump? ये जब तक यहाँ जाएगा. Go. Drone.
रुक गया है.
इसको अभी बुलाना था मैंने यहाँ पे. Don't come here.
No.
No. I'm not watching you. Come, drone.
रुक गया. Yes! What is you? Oh, are you N.
Now we have to run. Yes.
Bhagoo!
Okay. Hey,
Oh my god.
what's up?
The most creepiest looking bird ever. Drone को बुलाओ जल्दी जल्दी
Drone
जल्दी
is
जाओ.
there?
अच्छा वो रेड होगा then you'll have to call him.
Yeah.
Okay. रेड हो गया let's go. No.
Come on, my
Again,
drone.
again.
Oh.
Baba, jump.
Oh no, I can't run. What should I do?
I don't know. Hold shift. What just happened? I mean, I don't know.
ये मैंने बहुत पहले पढ़ा था कि भाई इमरजेंसी स्टॉप लिखा हुआ, तो मैंने आकर उसको ही दबा दिया तो वो रुक गया.
Press this one ना.
Emergency stop.
Wow, you're so clever.
I remembered, yes.
मैंने तो ये सोचा भी नहीं था. Oh my god, that's amazing.
I am the smart one.
Yeah,
Shall
what
I do
exactly are we supposed to do?
Oh, you
Oh,
forgot.
हमें की कार्ड मिल गया था. Orange की कार्ड.
This is orange. Open the gate. Open the gate. Open the gate. Open the gate for me.
Thank you. It's just another room with nothing.
Oh.
Take the picture. Of course.
Oh, we are going.
This is...
Whoa! Woohoo! यार एक दफा कैफेटेरिया चल के देखते क्योंकि सारी अच्छी चीजें यहीं होती हैं.
Oh.
Yeah.
और कौन रख के जा रहा है मुझे? For you.
For you.
Oh my god, वाकई में किसी ने रखा है.
It's my child.
यार.
It's my baby.
So now it's like scary के बजाय getting a little depressing. I mean, I'm going.
Oh no! This is the scary one.
After Mikhail, I feel like this is a sad game. Imagine your child is missing. I mean, I can't even imagine that.
Now it's a depressing game.
है ना? Now it's
Well, let's just
like,
forget about that and play. क्या इसमें कर दूं?
ये आपको बहुत fascinate कर रहा है ना?
पता नहीं ये क्यों है हर जगह ये. Oh. Now is
Oh,
red.
okay.
Come on.
Now I get this game.
Press it. What?
Drone, you literally have one job in this entire game, please. Thank you. You could have done
Oh,
that.
now you are orange.
भाई पहले मुझे ये बताया कोई कि किस किस्म का किंडरगार्टन है मतलब
Creepy one. कुछ आने वाला है क्या? Please do. Oh.
what I have to go inside
Yeah, of course. ये जो खोले हैं खुद. गंदा क्यों? Oh
it's
my.
blood
It's blood. डर लग रहा है. Oh no. Bro. Oh.
what the hell is that that was creepiest one.
This was supposed to be cute.
No, it's not cute at all.
Thanks for playing.
Part 1. Yeah, so we have to play the part 2. It's nice.
I mean, बच्चों के हिसाब से अच्छा है यार ये.
I think we should play this with Mikhail.
We are also a बच्चा.
Yeah, I think we should definitely play part 2.
Yeah, it's on Steam by the way. If you guys like this game, we'll buy it and play it. Why are you traumatized? Why are you like?
I don't know if the fact horror and बच्चे.
यार नहीं, come on यार. मतलब इतने cute characters हैं. वो
Oh,
आते
I'm
ऐसे
not
हैं.
scared of
What
the
is the
fact that
environment?
a person has lost their child. Like I can't imagine that.
Not exactly lost. वो इधर उधर चला गया है. वो नजर नहीं आ रहा फिलहाल.
That's exactly what lost means.
Oops, I'm not the smart one right now.
The game is really nice overall. बस थोड़ा सा मेरे motherly instinct बाहर आ गया.
Oh, come on, yeah, come on. I hope you guys like this game. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye. अभी तो खत्म ही हो गया.